Imagine waking up to the sound of gentle waves lapping against your private dock, sipping your morning coffee with a view that stretches as far as the eye can see. Today, we're diving into why waterfront homes are the ultimate dream for buyers, exploring the pros and cons of owning one, and giving you the inside scoop on the hottest waterfront properties currently for sale.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm your name, and today we're going to explore the magical world of waterfront living. But are they all sunshine and rainbows? Let's find out. You know, when I was working on my first million, it wasn't about fancy cars or designer clothes. It was all about achieving that feeling of freedom and having options. And let me tell you, nothing says, "I've made it," quite like waking up to a panoramic view of sparkling water every single morning. Imagine this. You're starting your day with a cup of coffee, looking out at the sunrise, painting the sky with vibrant colors over a glistening lake or ocean. Picture yourself hosting a barbecue with friends on your deck as the sun sets over the water, casting a golden glow over everything. These aren't just fleeting moments, they're the everyday experiences that waterfront living offers. It's like having a piece of paradise right in your backyard, a constant reminder of the beauty and tranquility that nature provides. Now let's talk about something that gets me really excited: the lifestyle. Owning a waterfront home isn't just about the view. It's about having a front row seat to a world of recreational activities right at your doorstep. You could have a morning kayak session before work, go for an afternoon swim whenever you feel like it, or even take your boat out for a sunset cruise with friends. And for all you fishing enthusiasts out there, imagine casting a line right from your own backyard. This kind of direct access to nature and recreation isn't just convenient. It's a complete game changer for your quality of life. It's about maximizing those precious weekends and free time, and turning your home into a hub for adventure and relaxation. Okay, let's talk numbers for a second. We all know real estate is a fantastic investment, but waterfront properties, they're in a league of their own. These homes are like prime beachfront real estate. They're limited in supply, and everyone wants a piece of that waterfront paradise. That means higher demand, which translates into increased property value over time. In fact, waterfront homes often appreciate at a faster rate compared to similar homes located inland. Knowing that your waterfront investment has the potential to grow significantly over time, that's a pretty sweet bonus. Now let's talk about design. One of the coolest things about waterfront homes is that they offer endless possibilities for creating a truly unique and awe-inspiring living space. Think floor-to-ceiling windows that frame panoramic water vistas, expansive decks that extend your living space outdoors, and maybe even a private dock where you can moor your boat. The possibilities are truly endless. Building or renovating a waterfront home is a chance to let your creativity run wild and create a space that's as unique and inspiring as the view itself. Chapter 7: High Rental Income Potential. One of the amazing things about owning a waterfront property is the income potential it offers. People are always looking for that perfect vacation getaway, and what could be more enticing than a waterfront escape? Whether it's a cozy lake house or a luxurious beachfront villa, renting out your waterfront property can generate significant income, especially during peak seasons. And we're not just talking about covering your mortgage payments here, we're talking about potentially replacing your 9-to-5 income altogether. Plus, who wouldn't want to spend their work vacations at their own waterfront paradise? Chapter 8: Social Prestige. Let's be real, owning a waterfront home comes with a certain level of prestige. It's a status symbol, a sign of success and accomplishment. Owning a waterfront property often means becoming part of an exclusive community. You'll be rubbing shoulders with like-minded individuals who appreciate the finer things in life. So, yeah, the social prestige is definitely a factor to consider. Chapter 9: Higher purchase and maintenance costs. Now, before you rush out and put an offer on the first waterfront property you see, it's important to address the elephant in the room: the cost. Waterfront homes are typically more expensive than comparable properties located inland. You also need to factor in higher property taxes, insurance premiums, and maintenance costs. Waterfront living means being exposed to the elements, which can take a toll on your property over time, but hey, that's the price you pay for paradise, right? Chapter 10. Exposure to weather risks. Building on the last point, let's talk about the potential downsides of waterfront living. Waterfront properties, by their very nature, are more susceptible to Mother Nature's fury. But hey, that's the trade-off for waking up to those stunning water views every morning, right? Ready to find your dream waterfront home? Here's where you can start your search. Check out these fantastic websites for waterfront property listings. Zillow. Use the waterfront filter to find properties with stunning water views. Realtor.com-browse a wide range of waterfront homes with detailed information. Redfin. Explore waterfront properties with comprehensive data on pricing trends. Trulia. Find waterfront homes and get insights into neighborhoods. Waterfront properties and club communities specialized in premium waterfront real estate. Lakehomes.com- focuses on lakefront properties with detailed community information. Be sure to use the links in the description below to browse more options and get the best deals. By purchasing through our affiliate links, you're supporting